So this is one of the gifts that I got for Christmas in 2024, Christmas 2024. So yeah, let me just open it. Alright, so here's the item for it. Now let me open this shit, like, completely. Okay, and I'm guessing these are the instructions for this. I might have to read them later after this part of the video. I might have to read them later. Oh, and what's this? Hmm. No, I'll just show this because it's in English. Yeah. Again, I'm gonna have to read this later after this part of the video. Now we're gonna show this. Alright, now let's open this thing. Let's see what this shit is. So that's what this thing's supposed to be? Oh, and this can plug in my phone. It can actually plug in my phone. Nice. So it's basically kind of like this. Alright. So it's basically kind of like this. This is the one I got for my 19th birthday in 2023. July 21st, 2023. So, yeah. Damn, this is basically the same thing. That's... Oh, wow. Now let me open the wires for this. Not trying to break it, which is why I'm doing this. So obviously this is supposed to be the charger for this. So yeah. Oh, oops. Alright. Oh, okay. Alright, so now it is charging. And yeah. Alright, I think this thing is charged now, so let me just connect it here. Alright. I think we're good to go. Alright, so now I'm testing out the Ulanzi microphone, or some shit. Like the wireless one. Yeah, obviously it's something like this. The Ulanzi J12 wireless microphone. Not only is there one, but there's also two. Two people can actually talk in this. I don't know if you guys can hear me because, you know, I'm pretty sure you can because I turned this on. So, yeah. Oh, there's this sticker. I just had to take it off. This is what I'm trying to take. This is what I was trying to take off. If you guys are wondering, so yeah. Oh, it's on here too, and I didn't. It's on here too, and I didn't realize. All right, I took it. I took this off too. All right. I'm gonna go throw these two away. So, yeah. All right, guys, I'm back. And yeah. I think this is pretty good. I don't know what else to say. Actually, before I look back at this video, I don't know what to say. I don't know what else to say other than this is Ryan's more saying, see you later and peace.